Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Today is Friday, September 9th, and I just want to remind you, if you enjoy this type of content, we release a video like this every day that the stock market is open, so be sure to subscribe. And we also release a video every weekend that goes into more in-depth analysis and has some more commentary on the markets and the economy and things like that. So if you like that, be sure to subscribe here on YouTube and follow us wherever you listen to podcasts. But let's go ahead and get into it. So despite the Fed and Jerome Powell reiterating about their plan to keep the economy tight and raise rates and keep them high until the job is finished with getting inflation back down to the target, markets are rallying anyways. Now, I do think that if the Fed actually does keep rates really high for the amount of time that it would take to get inflation back down to 2%, then that could send the markets down lower, but that would be well in the future. But I don't know if they're going to be able to do that. I don't know if our economy will be able to handle that, honestly, so we'll just have to see. But the markets responded by going up. We snapped a 3-week losing streak, so we finished this week green for the first time in 4 weeks. Today, the S&P 500 was up 1.53%, the Dow was up 1.19%, and the NASDAQ was up 2.11%. So that's interesting. If we take a look at the year-to-date charts, we have the numbers here. S&P 500 now a little well above the 4,000 level. If we take a look at the chart, it looks like we are headed back up towards somewhere in this level, the 4113 to about the 4157. That would be where I expect the next round of resistance and selling pressure. That would be around the level that we saw a couple Fridays ago from the Jackson Hole speech when this sharp decline began. And if we come back down, I would expect some buying pressure around 4,000 to 3981. So that'll be what I'm looking for on the S&P 500. But more interestingly today, Bitcoin's up about 10%. So it looked like we were coming back into this zone, and we bought off of it. We were kind of flat, and now today we're up. We were up about 11% at one point, but we've hit this zone, this resistance line, so around the 21.4 level. If we get through there, I would expect these highs to be a little bit of resistance before getting to the 28,000 level. But as we've seen in the past couple of months, the big green moves on Bitcoin are usually followed with some selling. As if we zoom out, we are still in a decline, and that's really been the theme of the decline. When there's big rallies, it gets dumped, and we really don't have any indicator to make us feel otherwise. So cautious here on Bitcoin. It does look good today, but it will take some time to see if that is sustained. But other than that, I don't really have much to say about the day itself. Obviously, tomorrow we'll be coming out with our weekly wrap video, so be sure to stay tuned for that. That's going to be a really good one. We'll be going more in depth about these markets and what we see and what we think. So until then, thank you for listening today. Be sure to tune in tomorrow, and I will see you next time.